Water scarcity isn't coming, it's already here. Agriculture consumes 70% of global freshwater withdrawals, reaching 95% in developing countries. In Turkiye alone, farming drains 73% of total water use, equivalent to 44 billion cubic meters annually. The Colorado River Basin has lost 27.8 million acre-feet of groundwater in just 20 years, equivalent to draining America's largest reservoir, Lake Mead, completely dry. Southern Europe faces year-round water stress, with 30% of the population in permanent scarcity zones and 70% experiencing seasonal shortages. Here's the crisis. Farmers need water to feed growing populations, but traditional irrigation systems waste up to 60% of water through evaporation, seepage, and inefficiency before it even reaches plant roots. As aquifers deplete, farmers drill deeper, pump harder, and spend more on energy, while water tables continue falling. This isn't a regional problem, it's global, and solving it requires innovation that works in the real world, on real farms today. That's why we formed Team Verdea.
We are teenagers from Diyarbakır, Istanbul, and Seattle. When we met, we realized we all had witnessed the same story for many years. Farmers in our cities are struggling as crop yields drop every year. We couldn't just watch our communities' livelihoods disappear, thus we built Vernona. Vernona is a nanobubble generator extension placed between the fertilizer tank and irrigation pipe to deliver oxygen to the plants and attract nutrients to the roots of it. Nanobubbles are 10 to the power of 9 times smaller version of the usual bulk bubbles. At this diminished scale, nanobubbles gain some unique properties. A high oxygen mass transfer ratio helps the plant's photosynthesis and deters parasites. The negatively charged surface attracts nutrients in soil and prevents the collapsing or merging of the bubbles.
Our nanobubble generator system consists of two analog water pressure sensors to measure the pressure difference between the inlet and outlet valves. Two screw pipes to connect sensors on top of the pipes carrying water to the mechanism. One Arduino microcontroller to transmit the data to user. One LCD screen to observe the data, and our unique design of a nanobubble generator cylinder to generate nanobubbles. This prototype is a proof of concept version of our product. The system operates according to the Bernoulli principle. The continuity equation suggests that the area times velocity is always constant for an incompressible laminar flow. From the energy conservation law, pressure is inversely proportional to the velocity squared. Based on these physics principles, we designed 2 points where cross-sectional area is gradually minimized to reach maximum velocity and minimum pressure.
Inside the cylinder, our system consists of a water inlet, a conical shape, and an outlet. Water enters the machine through a 24 mm radius inlet tangentially and creates a vortex till it reaches the conic shaped height. To that point, the cross-sectional area decreases as the radius of the conical shape increases, creating a low pressure point at the release point. After that point, the vortex continues inside the conical shape until the outlet. The radius decreases from 145 mm to 12.5 mm. That area difference results in 130 times the speed of the flow, and the pressure reduces 1/130 squared times. Enough pressure for the oxygen inside the water to escape and form nanobubbles. Then, nanobubbles exit from the outlet valve of the machine. In case of a blockage caused by foreign substances, the pressure difference value becomes lower, and the system notifies the user.
Verdea products use novel technology to create nanobubbles. We've engineered a surface roughness directly into vortex chambers, which increases turbulence and enhances the diffusion of water with air. Unlike complex, high-maintenance electromechanical systems, our aluminum design achieves agricultural-grade oxygen saturation at low cost. We've eliminated all moving parts, ensuring high reliability and zero breakage costs for farmers. Installation is straightforward and farmer-friendly. Connect the intake pipe to your water pipe and the outlet pipe to your irrigation line. Vernona integrates directly into existing systems using standard pipe fittings, enabling deployment in minutes without downtime, specialized tools, or technical expertise. We are collaborating with the Ministry of Agriculture and preparing to launch the technology at the annual Farmers' Day, which is an annual event that the ministry executes to meet farmers and companies with the newest technology to attract our target customers, agricultural irrigation companies.